I'm discussing PYQ of GS Geography previous questions of 2021. Briefly mention the alignment of major mountain ranges of the world and explain their impact on local weather conditions. Give with examples. Now, this question may students have missed out on the concept of alignment of mountain ranges. By the way, please join me at Shabir Educami for IAS Telegram channel, where I discuss questions, give you assignments. We don't give you content, current affairs, but we actually tell you how to work and how to finish your basic essential works. Join me at Shabir Educami for IAS. In this question, alignment word बहुत important है. When I say alignment, talk about eastern side है, western side है, north south है, east west है. Alignment also means are the mountains like an arc, जैसे Himalayas एक arc है. Are the mountains straight like Aravalli straight है. Rockies and Andes are straight. Alignment also mean are they clustered? Clustered जैसे कि Pamir not clustered है. You have got Armenian not एक cluster area है. Alignment also means the mountains are continuous or discontinuous. And give examples. कहाँ पर continuous हैं, कहाँ पर discontinuous हैं. Old mountains are discontinuous, young mountains are continuous. उसके बाद alignment also means that we explain the alignment in terms of plate tectonics. The alignment is along the plate boundaries, along the trenches. The alignment is along the coast जहाँ पर OC collisions हैं, Rockies and Andes. The alignment is further away from the coast wherever we have CC collisions. In fact, alignment of the Eurasian mountains is the consequence of the continents of Gondwana land colliding with the Eurasian plate. So alignment के साथ में लिखें. And then when you talk about the specific examples, कोई country उठाओ, tell us how the mountains are towards the northwestern side, say Algeria में है, mountains are on the eastern side, Australia में है, 2-3 map के साथ is done. उसके बाद come down to how the alignment impacts local climate. Now alignment का एक important part है whether they are opposed to the winds or are they along the winds. Opposed to the winds, then you'll have a leeward side, windward side. Do mention the examples of Patagonia desert, dry conditions of plateau interiors because of western Ghats. Do talk about the heavy rainfall regions along the Malabar coast. The alignment decides what type of rainfall. Aravallis के case में alignment is along the mountain range. That's why Rajasthan is dry with some rainfall along the southern part of Aravallis around Mount Abu, Udaipur. Alignment is also responsible for funneling and guiding some winds. जैसे कि हिमालयस का अलाइनमेंट जो है it guides the southwest tropical jet stream and it forces it to hit the Purvanchal hills causing rainfall northeastern India. Once you've done the alignment part, then you move towards discussing how other type of climate impact भी होता है. Local winds like cold winds, adiabatic winds, you have got upslope fogs, lapse rate के साथ में इसको आप टेबल में डाल दें. Talk about Mistral, Santa Ana, Fawn winds and so on. So look up the question again and see what each words mean. Join me at Shabir Educami for IAS to discuss questions and write answers on regular basis, a part of your answer writing skills.